This entire plant started by a single leaf. Yeah guys, have you ever propagated snake plant from the leaves before? Well, today we'll be propagating this broken leaf and this snake plant to enhance our collection. Now stay with me guys for the removal of this leaf, where we'll be putting it in the cuttings and then we will continue the process. Please continue watching and see the full process. So now guys, I'm prepping the leaf for the planting process. Stick with it. This process is so simple guys. So now guys, we'll be putting it in the sun for a couple of days after this to let it grow callus. This process let it root instead of rot. Now for soil enhancement guys, we have compost and we also mix it with sand for proper drainage. Let's get some soil in the pot now. Oh, and let you know guys, we are using no rooting agent. This is just natural propagation. Just follow these steps guys, and 8 weeks later you will be smiling. This is 3 months later guys. What a beautiful snake plant. As you can see guys, now this cutting right here, we can always clip it and grow a next one. Isn't that beautiful?